Airlock is a tool used by wine and moonshine brewers to get higher alcoholic content out of their sugar input, and it is very useful. I'm going to show you how I use it and how you can use it to this is going to be the first episode in my brewing process, because as you can see, I have been perfecting the process on how to brew alcohol since I want to distill all to get pure alcohol for my chemistry collection, since I have lots of chemicals. But nonetheless, yeah, I'm gonna build and show you today how to build an airlock just like this for brewing alcohol. Pieces you'll need to build your airlock are going to be a pill bottle, a pen or the middle part of a pen, and a container which fits loosely around the pen and which is shorter than this thing right here, than the pill bottle. You will also need a drill bit slightly thicker or about the same size as the this pen, and some sealant like Flex Shot. Last time I built an airlock, I used hot glue, but that didn't go super well and it started leaking. So I threw away that airlock and figured that this would be the perfect time to build a new one. So nonetheless, let me just show you what I'm going to do. Now, first thing first, I am going to take this pill bottle and I am going to drill a hole in the center of the bottom of it. Now, I kind of botched that up. It's the right size at all, but it accidentally cracked the pill bottle, but whatever. We can fix that with a little bit of Flex Seal. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take the pen and you're going to dismember it and throw away all the pieces except this middle section. This is all you need. And what you're going to do next is you're going to fit that middle section into this, just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the bottle and you're going to put on this like that, and you're going to get this to approximately the right height where this is wiggly. You're going to get it to approximately the right height where this bottle inside wiggles around a little bit, but not too much. And then what you're going to do is you are going to make sure that this is straight, and then you're going to use your sealant to glue it in. And then you're just going to wait for it to dry. Great, now that this is nice and sealed up with silicone, just leave it upside down and wait for it to dry, basically. I can't really get good footage of it now, but you see, now that it's dry, I can show you that when it fills up with water, it can bubble gases through it, and this is the entire purpose of the airlock in the brewing process. So yeah, now I've got a new airlock and I'm gonna get to start brewing soon. So yeah, hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video.